Well, we know it's another huge game for us. In terms of it being the derby itself, we know it sits sort of in a unique position within Kenyan and East African football, but also in the context of the season. You know, we've got 5 games remaining, we're sitting top of the league, and, you know, we're in a real battle with Tusker, you know, for the league title. So, you know, any game is big at this stage of the season.
I think sisi kama team tumekuwa na form poa, na tuko hapo juu ya games tumeshinda, zingine tumepiga draw, na I think hiyo ndio itatupea moral kwenda kwa hiyo derby.
For me, this game is it's a game just to prepare the semi-final. So Gor Mahia or any other team, the most important is to prepare the team and the players for the semi-finals against Homeboys. That's the most important. That's why, you know, I made some change the last game. We played in a different organization, and we will make this kind of thing against Gor as well, with a different organization, with a different lineup.